To convert ETH to USD in Coinbase, start by logging into your Coinbase account and navigating to the dashboard. This is where you will find an overview of your account balances and transaction history. Next, click on the Buy, Sell button at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the trading interface where you can buy, sell, or convert cryptocurrencies. From the trading interface, select ETH as the cryptocurrency you want to convert and USD as the currency you want to convert it to. You will see the current market price of ETH in USD, as well as your available ETH balance. Enter the amount of ETH you want to convert to USD in the input field. You can choose to enter the amount in ETH or USD, depending on your preference. If you enter the amount in ETH, Coinbase will automatically calculate the equivalent amount in USD based on the current market price. Review the conversion details to ensure that everything is correct. This includes the amount of ETH you are converting, the exchange rate, and the amount of USD you will receive. Once you are satisfied with the conversion details, click on the Convert button to initiate the transaction. Coinbase will then process the conversion and the USD equivalent of your ETH will be deposited into your USD wallet. This process is usually instant, but it may take a few minutes to complete, depending on the network traffic. It is essential to note that the conversion rate may fluctuate rapidly, and the rate you see when you initiate the conversion may not be the same when the transaction is completed. Additionally, Coinbase charges a small fee for conversions, which will be deducted from the amount you receive. To avoid any potential losses due to market volatility, it is crucial to keep an eye on the market prices and convert your ETH to USD at the right time. You can do this by monitoring the price charts and trends on the Coinbase platform or other reputable sources. By following these steps, you can easily convert your ETH to USD on Coinbase and take advantage of the platform's secure and reliable services. Remember to always review the conversion details carefully and be aware of the potential risks associated with cryptocurrency trading.